Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. And today we are going to practice another useful daily English conversation.
Today's topic is buying groceries at a supermarket,
This is something many people do every week.
and it's a great way to practice simple English in real life.
Today's conversation will help you learn useful phrases for shopping at a supermarket.
You will hear how to ask for products, talk to store workers, choose items, and pay at the checkout counter.
For today's role play, I will play the customer.
And I will role play as the store worker and cashier in some parts of the conversation.
Later, we will switch roles so you can hear different ways to speak in English.
So speak with us and practice out loud.
All right, everyone.
Let's begin our supermarket role play. First, let's enter the supermarket.
Wow, this supermarket is huge.
Yes, it is. It has everything: fruits, vegetables, bakery items, snacks, drinks, and frozen food.
I haven't been here before.
Really? I come here almost every weekend.
It looks very clean and organized.
Yes, and the staff are usually very friendly.
That's nice. I need to buy groceries for the whole week today.
Same here. I also need a few things for breakfast and dinner.
I should probably make a shopping list next time.
That's a good idea. Shopping is easier with a list.
Otherwise, I always forget something important.
Or you buy too many snacks.
Haha, yes. That happens to me all the time.
All right, let's start shopping. Now, let's look for items available in the store.
Excuse me, where can I find bread?
Bread is in aisle 3, near the bakery section.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There are so many kinds of bread here.
Yes, white bread, brown bread, whole wheat bread, and garlic bread.
I usually buy whole wheat bread.
That's a healthy choice.
I also need milk and eggs.
The dairy section is at the back of the store.
Perfect. Let's go there.
Do you need cheese too?
Maybe. I want to make sandwiches tomorrow.
Then cheese would be a good idea.
You're right. I'll get some cheddar cheese too. There are so many milk options here.
Yes. Regular milk, almond milk, oat milk, and soy milk.
I usually drink almond milk.
It's very popular these days.
This brand looks good.
Check the expiration date first.
Good idea. Oh, this one expires next month.
That's fine then.
Should I buy a small carton or a big one?
If you drink it often, the big one is better value.
True. I'll take the big one.
Good choice.
And look at these apples. They look fresh.
Yes, they do. Do you want red apples or green apples?
I think I'll take red apples.
Good choice. Red apples are sweeter.
How much are they?
They're $3 per kilo.
That's reasonable. Let's spend some time in the snack section. Oh no, now we are in the snack section.
Haha, this is the most dangerous part of the supermarket.
There are too many choices here.
Chips, cookies, chocolates, popcorn.
I'm trying to eat healthy, but chocolate is my weakness.
Same here.
Which chocolate do you recommend?
I like dark chocolate.
I prefer milk chocolate.
That's good too.
These cookies are on sale.
Buy one, get one free.
That sounds tempting.
But remember, you came here for groceries.
Haha, you're right. Now, let's ask a store worker for help. Excuse me, do you have almond milk?
Yes, it's next to the regular milk.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Also, where can I find coffee?
Coffee is in aisle 7.
Ground coffee or instant coffee?
Both are there.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great shopping experience.
Let's have a casual conversation while shopping. Maya, do you enjoy grocery shopping?
Sometimes. I like shopping when the store is not crowded.
Same here. I prefer shopping early in the morning,
Me too. It feels calm and peaceful.
and it's easier to find fresh products.
That's true.
Do you usually cook at home?
Yes, especially on weekends.
What do you cook?
Pasta, sandwiches, salads, and smoothies.
That sounds delicious. Finally, let's go to the checkout counter,
Now I will role play as the cashier.
and I will continue as a customer.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Great. That will be $22.
Okay, can I pay by a card?
Of course. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. That was a simple supermarket conversation.
Yes, these phrases are very useful in daily life.
Let's review some key sentences.
Where can I find bread?
How much are they?
Do you have almond milk?
Can I pay by a card?
Would you like a bag?
Very simple and practical English. Now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after us.
Where can I find bread?
How much are they?
Do you have almond milk?
Can I pay by card?
Would you like a bag?
Excellent.
Keep practicing these sentences every day. Before we finish, let's have a friendly conversation. Alex, what do you usually buy at the supermarket?
I usually buy fruits, bread, eggs, and coffee. What about you?
I buy vegetables, snacks, yogurt, and ice cream.
Ice cream is always a good idea.
Haha, yes. Especially chocolate ice cream.
Now I want ice cream too.
Maybe we should go back inside the supermarket.
Haha, maybe next time. Today, we learned how to speak English at a supermarket.
Simple English that you can use every day.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just practice a little every day.
And don't forget to check the description for more practice sentences.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
It can help them improve as well.
Thank you for learning with English Tour.
See you in the next episode. Bye.